Circle.
Circle. And what color is the circle?
Red.
Red. What color is this circle?
Purple.
What color is that circle?
Blue.
What color is this circle?
Orange.
And this one?
Green.
Good job. You're my smart.
Cookie.
What's this shape?
Circle.
No, this one.
Square.
Square. What color is the square?
Blue.
Blue. What letter is that?
A. B. C. D.
D. Good job. What? Give me the B sound. What's the B sound?
B. B. B.
What's the C sound? What's the D sound? D.
D.
Good job. Good job. What shape is that?
Square. Square. Square.
What shape is this one?
Square.
No, this one.
Triangle.
And what color is the triangle?
Yellow.
How many sides does a triangle have? Let's count them.
1, 2, 5.
3. Good job.
3 circles. 3 circles.
3 sides. Yep. What shape is that one?
Oval.
Oval. Good job. What color is the oval?
Orange.
Orange. What shape is that one?
Circle.
Rectangle. Good job. What color is the rectangle?
Green.
Green. What shape is that? What shape is this one?
Diamond.
A diamond. What color is your diamond?
Purple.
Purple. What's this shape? What is this?
Star.
A star. And what color is your star?
Pink.
How many points does a star have? Let's count. 1,
2,
2, 4,
4, 5.
5. Good job. You are my smart cookie, right? Say the end.
The end.
All right.
What color?